Assalamualaikum, my dear students. I welcome you all on the platform of digital academic provided by Moonlight International Publishers. My dear fellows and friends, today we are going to learn how to write alphabet. Yes, today our topic is writing of alphabet from A to Z, capital and small letters. Yes, kids. Earlier I have told you that there are 4 lines on your workbook, on your book. You have to write all the alphabet in 4 lines. Yes, today I will tell you how to write alphabet in these lines. Firstly, you have to remember one thing, that you have to write capital letters in upper 3 lines. Capital letter in upper 3 lines. Yes, there are some dots. We have to follow these dots and write alphabet from A to Z. Yes, there is a dot on first line. Like, I am going to tell you how to write from these dot. First of all, put your pencil on black dot and go down and make a slanting line till third line. Then make another slanting line till third line. Then make a small slipping line in second line. It will become capital letter A. For small letter A, there is a dot which is on second line. Go round and make a small half circle. Then go up and join it on the starting point of half circle. Then again go down and make a hook on third line. It will become small letter A. This is capital letter A and this is small letter A. Now we are going to write capital letter B. First of all, put your pencil on black dot and make a straight line in upper 3 lines. After that, make a small half circle in upper 2 lines and a small half circle again in center 2 lines. It will become capital letter B. Now this is turn of small letter B. For small letter B, put your pencil on first line on black dot and go down, make a straight line till third line and make a small half circle in center 2 line. It will become letter B, small letter B. For C, you have to make a half circle in upper 3 lines. Kids, never remember to write all capital letters in upper 3 lines. Make a half circle in upper 3 lines. It will become capital letter C. After that, make a small half circle in center 2 line. It will become small c. This is letter C, capital and small. For letter D, first of all, make a straight line from black dot to third line. After that, make a half circle from first line to third line. It will become capital letter D. Now make a straight line and small hook on third line and make a small half circle in center 2 lines. It will become small letter D. This is capital and this is small letter D. Now move towards second line. Never forget to write capital letters in upper 3 lines. Make a straight line in upper 3 lines. Make a slipping line in first line, small slipping line in center line and other small slipping line in third line. It will become capital letter E. Now this is turn of small letter E. Okay kids, now make a half circle in center 2 line. You have to follow the black dot. Small line in center 2 line, small half circle in center 2 line and make a small curve in center of half circle. Yes, it will become small letter E. After that, write letter F. Put your pencil on black dot and make a straight line till third line. Then make a slipping line on first line and make a other slipping line on second line. It will become capital letter F. After that, make a small curve line on first line. Then make a straight line. It will touch on third line and make a small slipping line in second line. It will become small letter F. Yes, now it is turn of letter G. Make a half circle in upper 3 lines and the last point of half circle will touch the second line. On second line, we have to make a small slipping line. It will become capital letter G. For small letter G, make a half circle in center 2 lines. Then make a straight line in bottom 3 lines and make a small hook. It will become letter G. For letter H, make a straight line and other straight line and we have to draw straight line in upper 3 lines. Then we have to join these lines with a small slipping line on second line. Yes, it will become our letter H. For small letter H, put your pencil on black dot and make a straight line till third line, and then make a small hook on second line and go round and go down towards the third line and make a small hook. It will become letter H. Yes, now we are going to write capital and small I. Yes, put your pencil on first line and make a straight line till third line. Make a small slipping line on the top, on the head of straight line, then a small slipping line on the bottom of straight line. It will become capital letter I. For small letter I, put your pencil on black dot. Make a straight line in center two line and small hook. After that, put a dot on the head of I. It will become small letter I. Now this is turn of letter J. Put your pencil on first line, go down, make a straight line till third line and make a small hook. After that, you have to draw a slipping line on the head of straight line. This will become capital letter J. For small j, put your pencil on second line and go down and make a straight line till last line and make a small hook and put a dot on the head of letter J. It will become small letter J. Yes, for K, you have to put your pencil on black dot, go down, make a straight line till third line. After that, make a slanting line in upper two lines, slanting line in center two line. It will become capital letter K. For small k, put your pencil on first line, go down and make a straight line till third line. Make a small slanting lines, two slanting lines in center two lines. Go down, then again go down and make a small hook. It will become small letter K. Yes, for L, put your pencil on black dot, go down, make a straight line and make a slipping line on third line. It will become letter L, capital letter L. For small letter L, put your pencil on black dot again and make a straight line till third line and make a small hook. It is small letter L. For letter M, you have to draw a line, a straight line in upper three lines and other straight line in upper three lines and make two small slanting lines in upper two lines. It will become letter M. For small letter M, put your pencil on center line. You have to draw a straight line in center two lines. Make a small curve, then again a straight line, a small hook, then straight line and a hook on third line. Yes, it will become small letter M. For capital letter N, put your pencil on black dot and make a straight line, then make a slanting line in upper three lines, then make a straight line in upper three lines. It will become capital letter N. For small letter N, put your pencil on second line on black dot, go down, make a straight line in center two line, make a small curve on the second line, then make a straight line, then a curved line on the third line. It will become small letter N. For letter O, make a circle in upper three lines. Oval type circle we have to make in upper three lines, and for small a we have to make a circle, an oval type circle in center two lines. It will become our capital and small letter O. Yes, this is letter P. Their faces are same. We have to write letter P in upper three lines, straight line in upper three lines and a small half circle in upper two lines. After that, make a small P. Draw a straight line from second line to last line and make a small circle, small half circle in center two line. It will become small letter P. Yes, this is letter Q. First of all, make a capital O in upper three lines and then make a slanting line on the bottom of letter Q. It will become letter Q, capital letter Q. Yes, for small letter Q, make a half circle, then make a straight line. You have to make a half circle in center two line, then a straight line in lower three lines, then small hook, a small slanting line hook on last line. It will become small letter Q. Yes, this is our letter R. We have to make a straight line in upper three lines, then half circle in upper two lines and a slanting line in center two lines. It will become capital letter R. Yes, this is small letter R. Make a small straight line in center two line and make a small hook on Second line, it will become small letter R. Yes, this is letter S. First of all, make a small curved line in upper two line, then make a small half circle or curved line on third line. It will become capital letter S. For small letter S, do this in center two lines. Okay, now this is letter T. First of all, make a straight line in upper three lines and make a small slipping line on the head of straight line. It will become capital letter T. For small letter T, make a straight line in upper three lines, make a small hook on the third line and then make a small slipping line on second line. It is small t. Yes, for you have to draw a straight line in upper three lines, a small curved line, then make a straight line again. This is capital letter U. For small letter U, you have to write it in center two lines. First of all, put your pencil on black dot, go down, down, down and make a straight line in center two lines, then curve, then up and make a straight line and make a small hook on third line. It will become small letter U. Yes, this is letter V. Make a slanting line in upper three line and other slanting line in upper three line. It will become capital letter V. We have to write the same V in center two lines. Yes, this is W. We have to write W in upper three lines. Make a slanting line in upper three line and other slanting line, then another slanting line and then another slanting line in upper three lines. It will become capital letter W. We have to follow this procedure in center two lines. It will become our small letter W. For letter X, we have to make a slanting line, a big slanting line in upper three lines and other big slanting line in upper three lines. It will cross each other like this and this will become capital letter X. After that, do this procedure in center two line. It will become our small letter X. Yes, this is letter Y. We have to firstly make letter V. We have to make letter V in upper three lines and after that we have to make a straight line which is going to touch the corner of V. It will become capital letter Y. For small letter Y, we have to start from second line, go down, down, make a straight line, then a curved line, then up and then again go down, down, down in bottom three line and make a small hook. It will become small letter Y. Dear kids, now this is our last letter and this is letter Z. We have to write it in upper three lines, make a slipping line on first line, then make a slanting line in center three line. After that, make a slipping line, again slipping line on third line. It will become capital letter Z. You have to follow the procedure with the small letter Z in center two lines. It will become small letter Z. So kids, this was our today's lesson. Dear kids, in this video we have learned how to write capital and how to write small letters from A to Z. I hope you had enjoyed this lesson and you have learned how to write all these letters using guiding lines. Stay blessed till next video. Allah Hafiz.